Hi everybody, Fernando here. Today I'm going to talk to you about local SEO. Stick around. Thank you for stopping by at my video. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so you can get notifications on new videos, and hit the thumbs up so you can help me with the YouTube algorithm. Today is going to be really fast. I'm going to give you 2 tips for local SEO. So imagine you are a small business, 2020, 2021. You want to invest in SEO so you can show up on Google results. Instead of hiring another company to do that job for you, I have 2 tips for you that's going to help you boost your SEO rankings. Okay, so the first one is this. You're going to go to Upwork.com or any site of that you can find a freelancers, maybe Fiverr too. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna hire someone, a young freelancer, probably from another side of the world, that knows English, that knows how to do SEO articles, and you're gonna negotiate with them to do 1 article per day on your subjects. So they're going to be doing 1 article per day on your subjects, non-stop, 30 days per month. All right. The second thing I'm going to do is you're going to go to Google and you're going to start searching all the terms related to your business. And I want you to filter out all the competitors, and I want you to go over blogs. If you can't find any blogs, any newspapers that are talking about that specific, the keywords of your niche, what you're gonna do, you're gonna try going up like the states, the county, the states, then the sub-region, and you're gonna start to go up. What I want you to find, I want you to go over bloggers that write about that niche. I want you to go after small newspapers that writes about your keywords in your niche. What you're gonna do is you're gonna send them an email asking them to do an article for you and asking how much it is. So you're gonna start negotiating, because if those people that are talking about your keywords are already ranked on Google, the point is you talk to them so they can include your business inside that article, or make a new one including your business. So because you already know they're ranking on Google, they're gonna talk about you and they're gonna make a link to your website, and that's gonna boost your website as well. Same thing with the freelancer. The freelancers are gonna be writing about you every day. They're gonna be doing links. Every article is going to link to one of your website pages. Yeah, so when you're writing the freelancer, what you want to do is ask them to use medium.com, using wordpress.com, Wix, Google Sites, all the free platforms to host a website. But what you can do, you can also start buying domains with your keywords.com. Usually .com historically shows it's stronger than the other domains, but if you can't find .com, you can go with .net, .us, .info, and you're gonna ask them to keep updating their website with new articles at least once every 2 weeks. So with time, those domains are gonna get full of articles, and then they're gonna start to create authority, and Google's gonna start to rank them as well. So hiring someone to do articles every day for you, and also go over bloggers and small newspapers and start negotiating with them to put your company and your link into their articles. These are my tips for you. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you can get news on the other videos. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.